So the budget presented by Mrs. Nirmala Sitharam today is interim budget and it is an election budget. This is most disappointing budget. Since it is an election budget, new projects and new programs are not mentioned in this budget. Karnataka is not getting any new project this year. This is the next financial year, that is 24-25. The budget's size is 47 lakh and odd. This year's 2 lakh and odd is increased. That means to say the increase in the budget size compared to this year, next year budget is compared to this year, is the growth is only 5.8%. This budget has not addressed the real problems of the people, particularly price rise, unemployment problem, farmers problem. So the budget has not disclosed all this. That is why I said this budget is not open. So since I have not gone through the entire budget in detail, I do not want to discuss all the details incorporated in the budget. So I will tell you next time after I go through the what is the revenue deficit, what is the liability, what is the thing, because they are claiming that it is Vikashita Bharat. I am telling it is Vinashkari Bharat. Vikashita Agila. Compared to previous government, both in budget size and GDP growth, so far as the budget size is concerned, 13.79 was the average growth during the UPA government. During Narendra Modi's government, it is 9.6%. That means to say the budget is also the development comparatively, the growth of the budget is less than the UPA government's budget. So it clearly shows that the per capita income of the individual is not increased. See, they are committing this mistake always. Bihar, UP, Madhya Pradesh, they are getting more land share compared to Karnataka, because Karnataka is the second state as far as the tax collection is concerned. Maharashtra is number 1 and Karnataka number 2.
Devolution 10th place. Devolution 10th position.
Devolution is we are in 10th position. Though we are second, we are in 10th position. That is the injustice caused to Karnataka. See, they go by the population.